Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka. Ngugi wa Karanja MC ni atuga his mom na kiheo kia mwanya muno kia nyumba akoretwo akimwakira tudi akorwo aki-invite arata ake na kanitha niguo anengere his mom nyumba ino. As you can see ni akorwo agishare mbica cia nyumba iyo, a very beautiful house. He was very excited gukorwo agiakira his mom nyumba ya muthemba uyu, akiuga today is her day. Mama wa murio, one word for her. Ndeto-inĩ ingĩ Pretty Vishi has started journey ĩrĩa maragikorwo magithondeka ya kuruta mawĩra ngũrani na makambuni mwanya mwanya after her meeting na Muthee Kiengei keeping the promise ati nima mundu gwitwo Pretty Vishi ni agukorwo akigwatira endorsements nyingi. Vishi akorwo agiposti mbica ici akionania ati it's true Kiengei ni arakorirwo keep his word na ni akorwo make her first trip ya kuria gukorwo agithie na zunguka Africa, a trip of her choice. Kiengei ni arakorirwo agicokaniria miario na mundu fulani urokoretwo akiri murata wake gwa kahinda makiria hindi ya siasa na akoretwo akimwikira siasa na nginyagia kanitha uyu wake wa JECM. This particular friend wa Bishop akorirwo agiposti ndumiriri Bishop mwenyewe akorirwo akionekana ta kumicokia kuona nionire ta irakimurenga na njira fulani. Neno ni ndumiriri iria Kiengei agikorwo agicokia after gukigwa miario iria murata uyu wake wa tutuko tunini twana hau gabere agukoretwo akiaria guku nenda-ini. Ndigũcitenderithia makiria ndacaria toria cianginyira. Make sure ni wa turn on your notification na wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video citu. Tucemanie na wa next one.